Let's go.
Hey, Beauty Squad. So this is attempt number 67,400. I mean, you know why. If you don't, my name is Jessica and I have 9 kids. Which one is 3, wide the hell open. And one is 1.5, wide the hell open. And, yeah. My first take was good, but then I went on a rant and rave. ADHD kicked in and I just went all over the place. Like, it's really confusing to try to watch it. I'm not going to put y'all through that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it up and I'm going to go through what I used and where I used it so you'll know exactly. Because like I said, I went through a rant and rave. I was talking about shadows and I bounced off of something else and blah, blah, blah. It's just a mess. If you're new, welcome to my chaotic corner. Anywho, I wasn't sure about this eye look. I was kind of skeptic. That's why I went off and did this eye first to make sure it looked halfway decent before I even attempted to film this. I do want to go in and start more bringing out older palettes that I have, playing with palettes that I might not have used before, comparing palettes that I currently have to try to do like maybe like doing one eye look here and trying to recreate this eye look with 2 different brands or, you know, what have you, because I want to get more use out of the items I have. I'm on currently a broke bitch Nova. Sorry, that's Luna throwing a fit. And my oldest daughter getting onto her. So she is being watched. My mother is also in there and she is 65, so she's able to watch kids. My oldest daughter is 17, then my other daughter is 14. So yes, they are both legally able to watch kids. So for anybody that wants to throw shade my way about, oh, it's disturbing to have kids crying in the background who's watching them, thank you for the concern. They're being watched. Anyways, want to make sure they were good, and yeah, they're just trying to aggravate everybody. So let's go ahead and jump into this. I will have this fast forward just a little bit so you can see. Now this is a simple cut crease eye look. I just did a smoky look with it. I did not use no liquid liner this time. I just went in with a straight pencil liner. And I started putting everything up because it's habit of kids, so I had to grab everything else. But the first thing I'm going to show you are these 3 right here is from one palette. This green, this blue, and this, I want to say it's like a plum black, because it's got like a hint of purple in it, but not too rich, and kind of like a hint of brown, but it still has like a hint of black. Like it's gorgeous. This is a black, so that you can see the difference. This is from Sprout Cosmetics. If you haven't heard of this brand, go check them out. I'll leave everybody's link down below. I don't have a discount code with any of them. I can try to reach out to them and see if I can get one or if they have one available. I do know with Unearthlycosmetics, you can use code Heather and save you 10%. I don't know if it's commission code or what, but it will save you a little bit of coin. Anywho, with this one, look how gorgeous this palette is. Now, this palette is a little intimidating if you just go in and look at it. Unless you're like me and you absolutely love greens and blues and stuff like that and purples, then this is your palette. But if you're just like, what? Beautiful color story. So, 3 shades I used are these 3. Look at that formula, y'all. Like, look at that. I do know for sure that this palette is constantly sold out. It took me forever to get my hands on it, and I've had it for a little while. I think I got it like right after Halloween this year. Go to their website, log in, get their newsfeed or newspaper, what have you, and just keep your eye out. Go to IG, look over there. Most of the time, any company that's coming back out with a palette or has a palette that's highly requested like this one, they'll let you know when it's going to restock again, or pre-orders or what have you. My next brand, if you're OG, or if you just started watching me like 2 days ago, you probably know my favorite brands. I rant and rave about them all day long. They don't know who the hell I am. I don't get PR from them. I don't even get a discount code from them. I'm so small. I'm like a little pissant. I love them though. They are legit 20 for 20% amazing to me. Now, granted, there is one brand that I have on my cheeks. My Nina, she is amazing, and I do have a code with her. I'm going to have to have a code with her, but I'll go check and put it right up here if it works. But Lily Posh, come on out. If you're on my channel, you probably heard of Lily Posh. This bad boy right here, medium, the middle one, Luna. My 3-year-old daughter is named Luna, so it's like, come on, look at that. And it's still on the finger. Like, come on. Like, look at that glue. And that's just with a fan brush. That's not even going in ham. Because most time if I want it like to pop, I go on my fingers. That's a fan brush. So these are Sprout Cosmetics. My next brand is this brand right here. I've legit reached out to and told them, thank you. I have a little over like 9 palettes, but this is the first formula, multiple shades, shimmer and mattes, that I've tried that does not irritate my eyes. I have hypersensitive asshole eyes that 9 times out of 10 will water right after I Epic Look. Certain powders that I use, and my eyes water with certain shades I use. I do think I need to kind of go in and figure out which ones they are to try to avoid that situation. Does it every once in a while, it's no biggie. Laser Cosmetics, though, if you got some sensitive eyes, I'm telling you, and you feel like you lost all hope, try their palette. This is a customized palette. I have like 4 of these bad boys. This is the one I use though. This pink right here, look how soft. Look at the indentions. Look at that pink. Look at that pink. Like, come on now. Like, what? What's the pink? And that's what I have right above it. Well, I mixed it in and then like blended it out. Then I blended out that pink with some more pinks with another brand. I went in with another 20 for 20% amazing brand. This is top notch 20 for 20 brand. Unearthly Cosmetics. I've got 10 of their palettes. But seriously, like, it's so freaking soft. There used to be Alien Cosmetics, and most of my palettes say Alien Cosmetics. But they switched up to Unearthly Cosmetics, which I like both names. They're cool. But, like, look at that. And that's the light shade. Like, come on. Now, these two, I could probably went without Lethal Cosmetics altogether and just use this. Put it in. But I love my Lethal. I don't want to leave them out. This is one of her newest shades. Now, I do know that she just dropped a new launch today. Well, Monday. I don't know when this video will be up, but Monday she launched a new release. And I want it so bad, so when I go off my broke bitch no buy, it's on my list. And it is a well-known indie brand. I'm pretty sure most of y'all have a palette or two floating around, if not a sponge, if not a mascara, highlighter, or something. Glorilla. This is Afterlife, and I went in with Howling, this shade right here. It's probably my go-to black. Like, look at that. I don't like a lot of blacks. Black is very intimidating for me. See how those two are different though? It's scary for me because it's like, you mess up, you're scarred. It's hard to get black off your face and save a look. So it's really something that I shy away from a lot, and I shouldn't, because I really like how this look comes out, and I really like how my smoky look came out the other day, and that's kind of If I was to sit here and do a purple and blue cut crease every damn day that I did a tutorial, y'all wouldn't want to watch me. Y'all not learning nothing from that. I love doing a cut crease with those colors, but what's the purpose? And in this one, I wasn't going to do a cut crease, but it kind of fit. I just kind of went with it. 90% of the time when I do eye looks, I just run with it. Now, I have joined a collab on IG with some amazing creators that do these epic ass looks. And it's like 3 or 4 different groups that I'm in. And we get to express ourselves more artistically with makeup. Like, we go off of a theme and we just go wild with it. I'll pop a couple pictures right here of just some of the looks that I've done, just in case you don't have me on IG, where you can kind of see. But I love it because it challenges me. The look that I just did of the planets, I've never done a look like that, and I was so flipping proud how it came out. It didn't come out exactly like the picture, of course, but it came out close enough to where I was proud of myself and I didn't have to redo it. Now, with the Lorella, I don't know if you can buy both of these. I think you can buy these separate, but together, look, it's a little coffin. I got this from my Busy Beauty box, my last one that I purchased. Or maybe one before I purchased, I don't know. I know it's one that I purchased because I specifically went in and said I wanted the black, I wanted these because they look like a coffin. And just, like, if you don't have Lorella, where you been, sis? Look at that. Gorgeous. And I love the little concept of it. A whole black palette and then like a whole little white palette on the side. That's the shades. That's the matte and that's the shimmer. But yeah, very simple look, but unique. I haven't seen a green and black and pink look in a while, if ever. So I'm proud how it came out. I'm glad it came out the way it did, because it really did. It had me hesitant for a little bit. But if you try out this look and you have Instagram, or if you have TikTok, or if you have a channel here, please tag me. I want to see y'all recreate some of my looks. Even if you go in and go off of my Instagram. Really. Even she had a lot to say in a little bit of time, sorry. Even if you go over to my IG or even on my TikToks, go check out some of my creative looks, or this look right here. I want y'all to recreate it. I want to see it. It's fun. Try it. If you've never done a cut crease, or if you've never done like a smoky eye, try it. You'll thank me later. I'm telling you. You never know your limitations until you push yourself. And once you realize where your limitation is, you push yourself even freaking farther than that. Because can't nobody stop you but yourself. So get it, queen. Get it. If you are somebody that's wanting to improve on makeup, or wanting to thrive in makeup, or try something new in makeup, push yourself. Nobody's going to push you but you. Nobody can stop you but you. So make sure you push your damn self. And if you need somebody to kick you in the ass to get you going, shoot me a DM over on IG. I'll be happily here to coach you to get some damn things done, to try something else, do something new. I love supporting queens. I love this community. I love building each other up. It's 2022. There's no freaking room at all for hate, especially in my damn little chaos area. Not dealing with it. I'm not going to do it. If you got hate and you got discrimination, you got bullshit going on and drama, kick rocks. I ain't got time for it. Getting too old. Couple weeks I will be older, still yet. And I don't want to bring that here. I don't want to bring no negative energy onto my platform. And I was about to, because I'm a Cancer, and I was going to rant and rave about a situation today, but I thought it through. I've said my piece what needs to be said. That should be it. Now, fair warning, if it continues, then yeah, I'm spilling some tea. Just saying. Because I don't care who you are, where you from. I'm not going to let nobody sit there and put down any of my friends when I know facts of situations. Not he said, she said. Not, oh, well, you take a side, blah, blah, blah. No. Facts. Readable facts. Anyways, I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. I do know that I got one or two things coming. It's not much. Like I said, I'm on a broke bitch nearby, so it's very spread it out that I'm able to get anything. So just keep an eye out for that. Keep an eye out for upcoming new video type videos. Start my stash. Trying brand versus brand. Hush! I want to do a brand versus brand series to where I match up like a $20 palette to a $60 palette and see which one like hits up, or even an indie brand to a expensive brand and see which one hits up, or like a Walmart brand to another Walmart brand and see which one. Like, y'all get the drift, right? Skies and foundations and all that good stuff. I got plenty of it. I love y'all, and I will see y'all over in my next video. Make sure you go down below and check out this brand. Check out Unearthly. Go check out Cosmetics, especially. Go check out Lorella. And while you're down there, if you don't have me on TikTok, click it. And Instagram. Click it. It's free for you, and it helps me out to grow on my platforms. Because I love doing this, y'all. You don't know how passionate I am about sitting behind this table and pushing myself to make content for y'all. So many times I just want to be like, F it and give up. And I refuse. I'm not a fucking quitter. Never have been, never will be. I might be a procrastinator, but I'm not a quitter. There's a difference. So with that being said, love y'all. Bye.